Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to teach you how to create Weverse account. For that you need to get the application. As you can see, I already have the application. Tap over there. Now simply tap at Start Weverse. Now there you need to select the language that you want to use on Weverse. We will simply go with the English one. Now tap on Join or Login. Now there you can see that we can log in from Twitter, Google or Apple ID. Here we will go from Google. Now after signing in with Google, tap in Continue. After reading all the terms and conditions, simply tap at the option I agree to the terms of use. Now tap on Next. You will get an email from Weverse. You need to go in your mail account and check it. This is the mail that you will be getting from Weverse accounts. And your Weverse account has been created. This is how simply you can create your Weverse account. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Hub. Thank you.